Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video for you today sharing with you a niche that I think is going to start to be trending soon, and there's very little competition in it, so you'll be able to get in early to hopefully get you some sales. And the niche is Promoted to Daddy, established 2023 or soon to be Daddy 2023. The idea for this niche this niche is for people that are going to become dads in next year in 2023. If you do this search for Promoted to Daddy 2022, you're going to see there's already a ton of competition. It's going to be very saturated. But for the year 2023, you're going to see that there's very little competition. Like for this keyword right here, first time daddy 2023, and I even got rid of the orca keyword at the end of the link here. You're going to see there's only 249 results. So this is a niche that sells very well every year. All you have to do is basically just change the year, right? Just change it to 2023. And what's cool about this niche is that you can do it for not just for dads, but you can do it for, promoted to mom, promoted grandpa, promoted to grandma, promoted to wife, promoted to husband, promoted to brother, promoted to sister. So you can get, you can scale this niche up a lot. You can also cross niche it with at least for the males. You can probably do it for the women too, but it probably does better with the men is leveled up to daddy or leveled up to husband and put in the year 2023. Like if you look right here, I also did a quick search on this. Now there's a little more competition, but it's still very low. It's under 1,000. And right here you can see leveled up to uncle 2023. And we're going to see that these are already selling. All right. And if we go back to the Promoted to Daddy, we're going to also see that all of these listings have BSRs. They're already selling. And this is a good opportunity for us because we can get in early to hopefully get some sales, get the listing to get some traction, get it ranked, get it high up, maybe get some reviews. Like this one right here already has 2 reviews. You can see it's got a nice BSR, good price, and it is in the 2023 niche. So this is a good niche to get into. It's low competition. It can be scaled. It can be cross niche. If we take a quick look on tests, just to make sure that this keyword first time daddy 23, when I hit enter, you're going to see that nothing pops up. So we're good to go there. Competition on the other websites are also going to be low. Like you look at this first time daddy 2023 shirt on Etsy, under 300 results. So there's barely nothing. I'm not even seeing anything. Okay, right here, here's one, but for the most part, they're all like 2022. So you definitely want to get your shirts up on Etsy. We take a look up on Redbubble. We're going to see pretty much the same thing if it would load here. So again, only 457 results. You can see what people are doing. And for TeePublic, we can't see how many results there are, but we can go down to the pages to see how many, and 14, so not that much. So good niche to get into, low competition. It's a good time to get in early. We're only halfway through the year of 2022, so you can get your designs up for 2023. Cross niche it, scale it up to all different demographics, a mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. The grandma and grandpa ones do really well. I already uploaded all my listings for this niche about a month ago, and I'm already selling some for grandma. I sold one for dad. I sold one for the cross niche with the video games. So, this niche is going to start to sell, and it does very well. It does very well on merch. So that's the niche that I wanted to show you today. So if you like getting new niche ideas, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm trying to put out as many videos as I can. I got some affiliate links in the description. So if you need a place to find graphics, I got one for Vexels. You can take a look at that. That's where I get my graphics from. Then I also got a couple other links for some FIverr gigs that I offer, and I also have some links to my Skillshare courses. So if you're interested in any of those, the links in the description. And thanks for watching the video. Oh, and also I'm going to put a little playlist here to my other trending niches for July. So if you're interested in that, you can watch the playlist. It should be somewhere on the screen here. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.